Friends, if you are trying to lose weight and reduce belly fat but are not getting any results despite following diet plans, workouts, and taking various supplements, then this video will put an end to your search today. Yes, by taking just 1 teaspoon of a homemade powder daily, you can feel an amazing difference in just 15 days. Friends, the weight loss powder I am going to tell you about today is made from 4 such seeds that not only speed up your body's fat burning process but also improve digestion and enhance overall health. So, what are these 4 seeds, how do they boost your metabolism, and why is this remedy so effective? If you want answers to these questions, then have a little patience because, in just a short while, I will explain everything to you step by step. If you want to lose weight naturally and reduce belly fat, then watch this video very carefully and all the way to the end. Obesity and increasing belly fat are 2 enemies that, once they start, are very difficult to stop. Overeating, especially a high carbohydrate diet and sugary foods, slow metabolism, and bloating, these are the 3 major reasons that contribute to weight gain. That's why, if you improve your digestion, boost your metabolism, and control bloating, you can easily manage your weight and belly fat. The remedy I am going to share with you today primarily works on these 3 things, making it highly effective. Let's first talk about the powerful ingredients in this remedy, and then we will understand how to make and use it in complete detail. This remedy is mainly made from 4 powerful seeds. 1. Carom seeds, ajwain. 2. Fennel seeds, sanef. 3. Cumin seeds, jeera. 4. Fenugreek seeds, methidana. Ajwain improves digestion. It contains thymol, which boosts metabolism and burns fat. It also controls bloating and acidity, making your stomach feel light and reducing belly bloating. Fennel seeds are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help control appetite, preventing overeating. It is also a natural detoxifier that removes toxins from the body. Cumin seeds boost metabolism, improve digestion, and increase the speed at which your body burns calories. Fenugreek seeds are an excellent source of soluble fiber, providing long-lasting fullness, reducing hunger, and ultimately helping in weight loss. In fact, fenugreek boosts fat metabolism and specifically helps reduce visceral fat, the fat that accumulates around internal organs like the liver and intestines, making it the hardest to lose. In short, all 4 ingredients work effectively on their own for weight loss, but when combined, they create a powerful formula that can deliver much better results. How to make the powerful powder. Take equal quantities of ajwain, fennel, cumin, and fenugreek seeds and dry roast them one by one on low flame in a pan. Roast them until they release a mild aroma. Roasting enhances their effect, removes moisture, and increases shelf life. After roasting, let them cool down slightly, then grind them into a fine powder using a grinder. Your weight loss powder is now ready to use. Store this powder in an airtight container to prevent moisture and maintain its freshness and effectiveness. How to use this powder. Take 1 teaspoon of this powder daily, mix it in a glass of warm water, add a pinch of black salt and a few drops of lemon juice, and drink it. You can take this in the morning on an empty stomach, in the afternoon, or before dinner. For best results, use it regularly, don't take it for 1 day and skip it for 4 days. If you follow this consistently for 15 to 20 days, you will start noticing results. You will feel that your stomach is getting lighter, bloating is reducing, and your weight is gradually decreasing. But always remember, this is a natural process, not a magic pill or miracle cure. So, be patient and consistent while using it, don't expect overnight results. If you want to make it even more effective, combine it with 30 minutes of light exercise or walking daily. Avoid junk food and refined sugar, stay stress-free, get proper sleep, and add fiber-rich foods like salads and fruits to your diet. These small lifestyle changes will make your weight loss journey easier and more effective. Important precautions. Since this remedy is natural, using it correctly is very important to avoid any harm. 1. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, do not use this powder as some compounds in ajwain and fenugreek can be harmful during pregnancy. 2. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, consult your doctor before using this remedy because this powder can affect your blood sugar and blood pressure levels. 3. Never overconsume this powder. Only 1 teaspoon daily is enough. Taking more than the recommended amount can cause stomach upset or acidity. So, keeping these small precautions in mind, Start using this remedy, and I am sure you will get excellent results. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.